Hello students, in last lecture we learned construction of a tangent to a circle through the point on the circle. त्या कन्स्ट्रक्शनमध्ये ज्या पॉईंटमधून आपल्याला टँजंट काढायची होती तो पॉईंट सर्कलवर होता. नाऊ टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट टँजंट टू ए सर्कल फ्रॉम ए पॉईंट आउटसाइड द सर्कल. Here we have to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. We have already known that from the point outside the circle we can draw two tangents or two tangent segments to a circle. Those two tangent segments are congruent to each other. Now we will see example for construction. See example. Draw a circle with a center C and radius 3.3 cm. Take point A at a distance 5.6 cm from the center. Construct tangents to a circle from point A. First, the radius of the circle is 3.3 cm. We will take distance 3.3 cm in the two ends of compass. It is 3.3 cm distance. Now circle with radius 3.3 cm. Center C. Then we will draw one of the radius of the circle. Suppose it is the radius. Extend this radius and convert it into a ray. Now point A is at a distance 5.6 cm from the center. Take 5.6 cm distance in compass. 5.6 cm. It is 5.6 cm. From the center on this ray, point A is here at the distance 5.6 cm. And this radius of the circle is 3.3 cm. Now we have to draw the tangents to a circle through point A. For that purpose we have to draw a circle of diameter AC. To draw a circle of diameter AC means circle will pass through point A and C. We have to take the midpoint of segment AC, that will be center of that circle. For that we have to take midpoint, and for taking midpoint we have to here draw perpendicular bisector of AC. For that take more than half distance in the two ends of compass. Draw two arcs in this way. Now we have to draw two intersecting arcs to these two arcs as this. Now draw line passing through these two intersecting points. It will be perpendicular bisector of AC. Suppose this point as M. Now by taking M as the center, draw circle of radius MC or MA. It will pass through point C and A. The two intersecting points of two circles, suppose this intersecting point as P and this another intersecting point as Q, then draw lines through point P, or draw the line PA and line PC, PA and QA. It is the tangent through point A to a circle. Then draw another tangent through point A as line AQ. Line AP is one of the tangent and line AQ is another tangent. These two tangent segment, if we take the distance AP and distance AQ, then these two will be congruent. Tangent segments drawn from the point exterior of the circle are always congruent to each other. Means from the point exterior to the circle, we can draw two tangents to a circle and the tangent segments are congruent. See here, again we have drawn first circle with center C, radius 3.3 centimeter. Now we have taken point A at a distance 5.6 centimeter from the center. Now we draw perpendicular bisector of segment CA. The midpoint of segment CA is M, and we have drawn the circle of radius MC or MA. That circle intersect original circle in point P and Q. We have joined points AP and points AQ. The line AP and line AQ are the tangents drawn from point A to the circle. Now see next example. Draw a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. Take point P at a distance 7.8 centimeter from the center. Construct a tangent to the circle from point P or through point P. First we will draw circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Take the distance 3.5 centimeter in compass. See here, this is 3.5 centimeter distance. Now we will draw here circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and center O. Now it is radius of the circle and we have to extend this radius like this. Now point P is at the distance 7.8 centimeter from the center of the circle, 7.8 centimeter. It is the distance 7.8. Here there is point P, it is 7.8 centimeter distance and radius is 3.5 centimeter. Then to draw the tangent through point P, first we have to bisect segment OP. So take more than half distance in the two ends of compass. Now taking same distance, draw intersecting arcs to this original two arcs. Now line passing through these two intersecting arcs is perpendicular bisector of OP. This is midpoint of OP, so we'll give it name M. Then taking M as the center, draw the circle passing through point O and P. This is circle passing through point O and P, means OP is the diameter of the circle. Now draw line passing through point P and these intersecting points of two circles. Suppose it is point A and it is B. Here point A and B are intersecting points of two circles. We have to draw lines passing through point PA or ray passing through point PA. This will be first tangent, and here another tangent passing through point B. Segment PA and segment PB are the tangent segments, or line AP and line PB are the tangents of a circle. This is the procedure to draw tangents to the circle from the point exterior of the circle or point outside the circle. First, again see, we have to draw original circle of given radius, that is 3.5 centimeter here. Then take point P at a distance 7.8 centimeter from the center. Now bisect the segment OP by taking perpendicular bisector of OP. Then draw the circle of diameter OP. It intersect original circle at point A and B. Join segment PA and PB. These are the tangents through point P. Next example, draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter and center D. Take point E on the circle. Point E is on the circle. Take another point P such that DEP, means point DEP are collinear, and EP is equal to 4 centimeter, means point EP is at a distance 4 centimeter from point E. Draw tangents to the circle from point P. Here the distance of the point is not given from the center, but it is from the point E which is on the circle. First we will draw circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. It is 3.2 centimeter distance. center is D. Now point E is on the circle. This is 3.2 centimeter distance. Now point P is such that D, E, P are collinear and distance EP is equal to 4 centimeter. So we have to take 4 centimeter distance in the two ends of compass. It is 4 centimeter distance from point E. Here is point P. This distance is 4.0 centimeter. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this segment DP. Take more than half distance. Here two intersecting arcs. Now draw a line passing through these two intersecting arcs. Give name M to this point. Now draw circle of radius EP. This circle intersects the original circle. Suppose in point A and B, then draw a line passing through point A and P. This will first tangent and another tangent PB. These are two tangents passing through point P, which is out of the circle. In this way, we have learned three constructions of drawing the tangents to the circle through the point outside the circle. Now homework, you have to construct all the constructions from practice set 4.2. Tangents to the circle through the point on the circle by using center, without using center, and tangents to the circle through the point outside the circle. Here the geometric construction chapter ends. In next lecture we will learn some constructions from problem set 4. Do homework, construct all the constructions properly and study proper. Thank you.